When a client asks me to help organize their kitchen, I get really excited because we have the opportunity to make this kitchen so much better. Oftentimes, when people move to a new home, they or their movers start putting items away without taking the time to design an overall strategy for basic kitchen operations like food preparation, cooking, serving, and storage. In this kitchen, my clients were having cabinets painted and repaired, and everything had to come out. Putting it all back in was the fun part. Not only were we able to look at the entire kitchen and create stations for serving, preparing, cooking, and storage, we installed organizing solutions and labeled drawers, bins, and cabinets that everyone in this busy household could follow. Check it out! For the eating utensil drawer, we edited, organized, and installed a gorgeous new bamboo drawer organizer. We corralled all the serving utensils to this drawer, and we also created a small section for the cheese plate servers like little knives and spoons. We moved all the kitchen linens and placemats to this side of the kitchen, as it's near the sink where you'll need your towels and closest to the dining room where you'll be soon setting the table. We placed all daily drinking glasses in one cabinet to the left of the sink, and then dedicated the cabinet on the other side of the sink to coffee cups, just above the coffee maker to create the perfect coffee station. We also added a few more shelves to take advantage of these tall vertical cabinets. For more formal glass and stemware, we assigned highballs, lowballs, wine glasses, and beer steins to a set of cabinets on the other side of the kitchen. We also added a few more shelves to maximize the storage in these cabinets. We placed plastic cups and paper goods in the cabinet and drawers closest to the door, heading out to the pool. We completely overhauled the food prep tool drawer by sorting, editing, categorizing, and installing bamboo drawer organizers and an end drawer knife block to keep everything in its place. For the spice drawer, we edited the spices, sorted by type, whether it's salts and peppers or if it's savory and sweet, and we installed organizers in the spice drawer and a turntable in the cabinet to keep these spices organized. For the next set of drawers below the spices, we removed all food items. These would ultimately be moved into the pantry, and created this area to be the food storage section with drawers for wraps and Ziplocks and food storage containers. This spot made the most strategic sense as it is closest to the refrigerator when you're putting food away. For sauté pans, saucepans, and soup pots, we edited, categorized, and assigned each type of pot or pan to its own drawer or cabinet. We overhauled this small cabinet in the kitchen and turned it into a center for wellness with shakes, powders, supplements, medicine, and first aid items. For this set of drawers, we took everything out, moved items to more logical locations, like the utility room, and assigned new categories to each of these drawers. One for office supplies, another for tech, one for valet items, and the last one for batteries. Because there is a young child in this family who will still be doing homework in the kitchen for several more years, we moved all the school supplies from top of the dining room table and into this bank of drawers to create a home room for all of her school supplies with drawers for pens and pencils, markers and crayons, paper, and arts and crafts supplies. Re-engineering a kitchen can make such a huge difference. The result is an organized, streamlined, and optimized kitchen, primed and ready for action. I hope this video has inspired you and given you some ideas on how you can re-engineer your own kitchen. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you've liked this video, I would love it if you'd give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary Prince wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.